Hello friends and welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can install LibreOffice in your desktop. I'll be showing you the complete process in this video, so watch the complete video. So let's get started. As you can see, I've shared my laptop screen with you all. Just open any browser. I'm opening Chrome here. Paste the link from the description of LibreOffice official website. I'm opening the website. As you can see, this is the official page of LibreOffice through which you can download the software freely. It is an open source, so you can download it freely without any cost. So here you can see there are two latest versions of LibreOffice which are shown at the top. So I'm just going to download the latest of these both, the one which is at the top. And here you can see a drop down list, and from that select the operating system which you are using or which is there in your desktop. Like I'm having the 64-bit one of Windows, so I'm just selecting that from the drop down list and just clicking on the download button. As soon as you click on the download button, a new tab will be open or a new page will get open. So now it's refreshing and it is written that if the download doesn't start, you can just click on this button here. Just wait for some time. If it doesn't start automatically, then we'll click on this button to download the software. Now you can see the downloading is started. Just let's wait for the downloading to get completed. Now you can see the downloading is completed. Now just open the folder, or you can even go in the download section of browser and just run the setup. Now you can see the window of setup is open. Now just click on the run option, and now you can see it is preparing for installing. Let it complete. Now it is completed. Just wait for it to complete the space requirement. Now click on the next button. Again click on the next button. Now you can see there are two options. First is of if you want the shortcut icon of LibreOffice on the desktop, you can just select it. And the second one is if you want to load the LibreOffice as soon as the installation gets completed. So I'm just selecting it. So after that, just click on install. Now you can see the process has started. Let it complete fully. Now you can see the whole process of installation is complete. Just click on the close button because it is completely installed. But if the LibreOffice is not open, you can just double click from the icon which is there on the desktop. As you can see here, now I'm opening the LibreOffice. Now the LibreOffice is completely open. As you can see, this is the interface of LibreBase. At the left side, all the things like Writer, Cal, Paint, base, all are there. You can see, you can use them. If you click on any of these now, you can see a error appears on the screen. This is just because LibreOffice needs Java to be installed in the desktop. For this, again open the Chrome and simply paste any link from the description. I have pasted 2 links. There are 2 websites that provides the original Java. One is Oracle and second is the Java itself. So I'm just pasting one by one both the links to show how you can download the Java from each of the website if you are unable to download it from any of one website, so you can use the another website to download. The first link which I have pasted is Oracle one. Till the time it is getting loaded, I'm just opening new tab and I'm pasting the link for the second website, that is Java. Now the first website is open. So if you scroll down, you can see here they have given different types of operating systems of laptop or desktop. So you can choose from here whichever operating system you are having currently, iOS, Windows, all that. So currently I'm having 62-bit Windows, so I'm just clicking on the download button at the right side of Windows 64-bit. So you can see it's showing, it is asking for login. So the main thing in Oracle website is you need to log in or create an account on Oracle website to download any Java or any other thing. So let's start. Initially when I was downloading it for myself, it was showing error. I was unable to create an account on Oracle. Let's see if I can create the account now and I can download it, and let's log in. It will lead you to the login page or create an account. So just fill all your details in this and just click on the create account button and move further. And now you can see verification link is sent on your email. You can just go on your email and click on verify my email or account, and then there you go. As soon as we have verified, just go to the login page and log in from your username and password. And as soon as you log in, you can see the Java is started downloading at the below. Now let's go on to the second website. Second website is very easy to download the Java. You can, if you scroll down, you can see there are also different types of classification according to the operating systems. So here is mine one, Windows 64-bit. So I'm just clicking on the download. Now you can see in this website I didn't need to log in or do anything. The downloading is started as soon as I click on the download. So I always prefer, or I'll always recommend you to use the Java website to download the Java runtime for Libre base, because it doesn't need any login or anything to do. You just simply have to click on the download button and there you go. Just wait for to complete the download. I'm just cancelling the second because it is a little bit downloaded only. The Oracle website download has been half the way, so I'll just cancel the second one and just wait for the download to get completed. Now the downloading is completed. Just click on the arrow and open when done, or you can go in the file or in the download section to open this file and just click on the install button. Now the window of Java installation is open. Just click on install button. And now if you want to change the destination to install the Java, you can change it here, or else click on the next button. And now you can see the downloading or the installation of Java is started. Let it get complete. Now we have successfully installed the Java in our desktop. So let's again open the LibreOffice and check whether it's showing error or not. Now I've opened the LibreOffice. Now if I click on LibreOffice Base, it is leading me to the window to open a new file out there, or to create a new file of LibreBase. If I click on next button and create a new file of LibreBase, this is the interface where it takes me. It is the interface of LibreBase where you can perform your LibreBase practicals. So I hope you find this video useful and it helps you to install the LibreBase successfully and you're able to perform your practicals on it. If you're having any queries related to this practical or any other, please mention down below in the comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.